Hello everyone, welcome back to NKUS a Car, the channel where we talk about legendary cars, iconic designs, and the stories that changed the automobile world forever. If you love classic cars mixed with timeless engineering, then today's video is going to be very special for you. Today we are talking about the next generation, 1970 Volkswagen Beetle New Series. Officially unveiled as one of the most memorable and influential cars in automotive history. The Volkswagen Beetle is not just a car. It is an emotion, a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and smart engineering that captured the hearts of millions around the world. The 1970 Volkswagen Beetle came at a time when the world was changing fast, but Volkswagen stayed true to its roots. This new series kept the iconic rounded shape that made the Beetle instantly recognizable, while adding subtle refinements that improved comfort and performance. From the outside, the smooth curves, circular headlights, and compact body design made it look friendly and timeless, something no other car could match at that time. Under the hood, the 1970 Beetle continued with its air-cooled, rear-mounted engine, which was one of its biggest strengths. This engine design was simple, easy to maintain, and extremely durable. It didn't focus on speed or luxury, but instead offered reliability and efficiency. That's why this car became popular in cities, small towns, and even rough driving conditions across the globe. Inside the cabin, the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle New Series focused on practicality. The interior was simple but functional, with easy-to-read gauges and a clean dashboard layout. The seats were comfortable enough for daily driving, and the spacious feel surprised many people considering the car's compact size. Everything inside the Beetle was designed with the driver in mind, making it easy to drive for beginners and enjoyable for experienced drivers. One of the most impressive things about the 1970 Beetle was its fuel efficiency. During an era when fuel economy was becoming more important, this car proved that small and smart engineering could save money while still delivering a reliable driving experience. This is one of the reasons why the Beetle became a favorite among students, families, and long-distance travelers. The suspension and handling of the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle were also improved in this new series. It offered better road stability and smoother rides compared to earlier models. Even though it was not a sports car, the Beetle delivered a confident and balanced drive that made it enjoyable on both city roads and highways. What truly made the 1970 Volkswagen Beetle legendary was its global impact. It was sold in massive numbers and became one of the best-selling cars of all time. From America to Europe and beyond, this car became a cultural icon, appearing in movies, advertisements, and everyday life. It represented freedom, affordability, and individuality. Even today, the 1970 Beetle holds a special place among car collectors and classic car lovers. Its simple design, strong build quality, and emotional value make it a timeless classic that never goes out of style. So this was the story of the next generation 1970 Volkswagen Beetle New Series officially unveiled. A car that proved simplicity can be powerful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NKUS a Car for more classic and modern car stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.